that intro. Y'all saw that thumbnail. Y'all see that title. So, we back. And I'm about to show y'all. Anyways, I'm about to install this wig. She look a little crazy right now. Still, I think I did pretty good. I just plucked her a little bit more. But I think I did pretty good. Ooh, stiff wear.
Baby, it's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear. Woo! Stiff wear.
Stiff wear. Bitch, cause this hair move. You see that? But anyways, so we about to apply this fucking wig.
Oh my God!
Okay, y'all. So if y'all don't know, I'm in Wild Beach now. Now, yeah, it's white or whatever. That's because I had slicked my edges last night and I had put my scarf on. So that don't matter though. That you're okay. It's okay. So we about to get into it, and okay, y'all. So I just grabbed a wig cap and I put what's that shit called? Alcohol on my forehead to clean it and stuff. So now we about to bang. Oh, I can't see for real. So I need to, you gotta stretch it. You gotta really stretch that thing out. Now I'm gonna cut me out some eye holes because I need to kind of see. We back. Okay. So now I'm gonna take some Ghost Blonde glue, and then I'm gonna put this on here on my hairline a little bit. You feel me? Alright, y'all. So I really wasn't doing nothing here. I was just still putting the glue on, not really talking. I was really like focused, so that's why I just sped it up because I'm just doing the same thing. So yeah, really I just put glue on. I put like 3 layers on, smooth it out, and then I'm gonna wait till it get dry, and then I'm gonna cut it off. Yeah, but y'all gonna see that. But that's all I really did in this clip. That's why I sped it up. I just don't be having nothing to talk about. And really, when I be doing hair, y'all, I be focused. I don't even be saying nothing. I really just be focused. I be really in my head. So yeah, that's all I got to say, y'all. How y'all day going? Y'all tell me down in the comments what style y'all have done on y'allself. If y'all done hair on y'allself, or have y'all done hair on other people, and what's y'all favorite style to do? What's one of y'all favorite styles? Because I love wigs or I love box braids. Them my like go-to styles. So I want to know in the comments what's y'all favorite style, and y'all better say it if y'all watching this video, okay? I'm gonna really stop playing with my potential this year, because I really have been playing with my potential for like the last 2 years, because I just be so scared, and I was really living by fear, because I'm like, I'm not good and all this. Girl, I'm bomb at doing hair, doing anything really I want to do. So I'm not about to play with my potential, and neither should y'all. And with my health too. I think I'm gonna start a health journey on here as well, because I think that make me have to do it. And then once I feel like it's not a have to anymore, it'll just be me doing it. Now I'm human. I'm gonna slip up. I'm hot, y'all. Just let me hurry up and dry. I'll be back when this is dry. Okay, I'm back. So I just cut where my eye thing was. Now I'm gonna go up. And these scissors are not to be played with. I think I'm just gonna raise it. giving the girls very much skimpy. Very much of a box hairline. So, yeah, be giving the guys very much. Nigga hairline. Bro, what am I talking about? Y'all can't even hear me. I already know. Okay, I'm back. So we about to just get to blowing her review. So I feel like wasting my time. This frontal has already been used before, so it'd be difficult working with already used frontal and stuff than a new one. What we gonna do? What we got to do? Oh shit, I should have let her get a little tacky. Yeah, I gotta let her get a couple culture. I'll let her get a little tacky, y'all. I'm just trying to rush it and stuff. When I do my dent, yeah, I know. TikTok used to be in my head. That one right now lives in my head. Okay. Can't even do the dance for real though. When I do my dance, like these niggas don't dance. JT, I ain't playing. No bitch, I don't want your man. These niggas don't pay. Now it's time for the twerk later. Hey. What's this stuff will hurry up and dry? Be back when it dries, cause I ain't got nothing to talk about. And y'all hear my voice is going in and out, okay? It's going in and out, in and pop it when okay, I'm done. Okay. Hey y'all. So since this was like my first time doing a frontal, I'm sorry I did not show y'all the baby hair process. But I mean, I didn't really do nothing after I finished it. I just cut it. I put some concealer right here, and then I put my comb. Here, I'll show you. So I kind of did like this. I put the concealer, and then I put my comb right here, and then I put some brown powder to match it so it'll sharpen my part. And then I just did my edges. I used mousse first, and then sorry y'all, the background. Sorry, I don't feel like TV. Hold on. Okay, y'all, my bad. I had the TV on, so I really couldn't hear what I was saying. But anyways, I took my rat tail comb. I'm just about to use this. I took my rat tail comb like this, and then I put brown powder. Like, I put concealer on, obviously. Like, I put like concealer, whatever your concealer is, or you can use a foundation color. Stuff just keep messing with me today. So I put that on, and then I covered it, and I put some brown powder to sharpen up my part, and that helps with anything if you ever overplug your part or anything like that. I feel like y'all not seeing the look. There we go. After I did that, that was like the last thing I did, but then I just did my baby hairs. They're okay, they're not the best. This is what it looks like on this side. This side not the best, but this is how it turned out. I will do, of course, a better video where I will show y'all exactly what I do for the baby hairs. I might just do a separate video just for the baby hairs. But this is kind of the end look of how it turned out. I'm sorry y'all, I kind of just forgot about recording. But you know, we are working in progress, you feel me? So it's gonna come out better and better. And I just did my makeup. If y'all wanna see how I did this look, let me know. I'll redo it. It's really just a natural face, and I slid my eyebrow. This is my eyebrow is not really cut like that, it's just concealer. So if y'all want to see that, I'll show you how to do that. Yeah, I really love this wig. Like, I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Like, y'all see that scalpiana? Like, do you see? Oh, this came from where? My scalp. Oh yeah, I thought so. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. And you know, we just gonna keep dropping videos, and that's just that on that. You know, we coming 2021. It's what? Selena Crystal, baby. Know the name, that's the game. Know the game, know the name, that's the game. Know the name, that's the game. Know the name, that's the game. Hey, know the name, that's the game. Hey, know the name, know the name, know the name, know the name, know the name. That's the game. You rocking chains. Y'all niggas lame. Cause I know. But you know, I love you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Just let me know anything y'all want to see in the comments below. You can DM me any type of videos you want. You know, follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. I don't really be on Twitter like that. No, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't be on Twitter at all. But I might start going on Twitter. We'll see. But you can't tell me I'm not giving bad bitch vibes. Bad bitch. All y'all are bad bitches. Okay? That's on period. Love you guys.